If you're wondering how to use the check feed in AWeber, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through the process quickly so you can make the most of this powerful tool. Now, the check feed is AWeber's feature that allows you to monitor and manage the performance of your emails in real time. It's a great way to ensure your campaigns are running smoothly, but it's easy to miss if you're not familiar with the platform. So let's dive in and show you how to use it. First, to access the check feed, log in to your AWeber account and navigate to the Messages tab. Once there, you'll find the option for Check Feed under the Reports section. This gives you a quick overview of all the recent activity within your email campaigns. Next thing, you'll see a list of your sent messages. Here, AWeber displays essential details like open rates, click rates, and more. This information is incredibly valuable because it helps you understand how well your emails are performing. It's a snapshot of how engaged your audience is with your content. The third thing you need to know about the check feed is the ability to sort and filter your messages. You can sort by date, campaign, or even status. This allows you to quickly identify which emails are performing the best and which ones may need some tweaking. Now, let's talk about what happens when you click on one of those messages. You'll be able to see detailed insights into your email's performance. This includes data like the number of opens, clicks, and the overall engagement rate. You'll even get a breakdown of who clicked what, so you can tailor your future emails based on this feedback. The fourth thing is understanding the check feed's integration with AWeber's automation tools. If you have automation workflows set up, you can use the check feed to monitor how your automated messages are doing as well. This gives you a complete view of your entire email strategy. Now, even though AWeber is a solid tool for email marketing, it's not perfect. The check feed can be a little overwhelming for beginners, and there's a bit of a learning curve to get the most out of it. If you're looking for something simpler or more intuitive, you might want to consider alternatives. One platform I'd recommend is ConvertKit. It offers a streamlined interface and better automation features for a more seamless experience. Plus, ConvertKit is known for being beginner-friendly, which is something AWeber could improve on. The last thing I want to mention is that, while AWeber's check feed is useful, it doesn't have some of the advanced tracking features that other tools offer. So if you're serious about getting the most detailed insights, it may not be your best option. But here's the good news. Through our link, you can get access to an exclusive, extended free trial of AWeber. But that's not all. We've also included amazing alternatives that are better for the goal mentioned in the title. These alternatives also offer free trials, so you can try them risk-free and see what works best for your needs. Don't miss out on the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.